Alright, so I'm going to show you what I'm making. I had 2 of these diced fire roasted tomatoes, these cans. This is 14.5 ounces. So I used 2 of those in this pot, and then I filled up each can with water and poured it in the pot. I had some cabbage left over from when I made the cabbage and bacon, so that went in there. And then 1 bag of frozen green beans went in there. This is 16 ounces. I also added some black pepper. I added onion powder and garlic powder. And I'm just going to simmer this until the cabbage gets soft. And then I will make a pot of rice and pour this over rice and call it a meal. It's simple, it's delicious, not that many ingredients, and it makes a huge pot. And so, you know, it'll last for a little while, at least a couple of days. And so to me, this is a frugal meal that you can make. Let me know how you like it. Bye.